Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We've got another unboxing of another Amazon tablet. Every year they come up with a new one to replace the old one, and this is the new Fire HD8. This is the 2018 version, and it comes in very similar packaging to what we've seen with other Fire TV or Fire tablet devices over the last couple of years. And this 8-inch tablet actually is no different in hardware specifications than the other ones they have released in the same form factor since 2016. So this one has the same processor. It looks like it's got a MediaTek MT8163V/B, which is exactly the same as what we saw on the 2016 and 2017 versions. What I can tell on this one, at least for differences, is that the 2018 version here supports larger SD cards up to 400 gigabytes. It also has voice control, so you can use the A word on here and summon echo kinds of functionality out of it. And it's also running Fire OS 6, which the other versions do not run. So it's got the latest version of the operating system, but performance-wise, this should be about the same. But I'll do a full review of this one on the main channel at lon.tv because we haven't looked at this tablet in a while, so we will do that. Not much for ports on this one, at least as compared to prior editions. Micro SD card slot here for charging, headphone jack, volume rocker there, power switches there. IPS display like the other versions have had, still about a 720p display. Nothing on the bottom. You've got speakers on the side here, and then over here is where you put in that micro SD card to augment its onboard storage. And one of the things I like about these tablets is their low price. I think this one is under $100. And actually is pretty functional. Amazon is now like the #2 tablet manufacturer, at least here in the United States. So they are selling a lot of these because they are inexpensive and functional, and they have decent displays. It's all plastic. You're not going to get Apple build quality out of here. It's got a camera on the back that I'm not expecting much out of, but we'll do a test of that in the main review. That review you'll find at lon.tv. This is the power adapter. It looks like it's just your run-of-the-mill USB 1 amp charger there. And of course you get a charging cable and a little bit of a cheat sheet here for getting all the stuff set up on your device. So we're going to have a full review of this coming up very shortly on my main channel at lon.tv. So stay tuned, but don't expect anything all that much faster than what we've looked at in the past on this particular tablet. Until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Gerard Newberg, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.